Our point of departure is the notorious subtitle of Arendt's text. In a panel discussion with Barbara Hahn, Wolfgang Heuer, and David Kishik, writing on the anniversary of the Eichmann trial 2 years ago, Judith Butler remarked that the phrase, "the banality of evil," has become something of an intellectual cliché, which suggests that we all know what it means, but that we somehow also don't need to know. So it seems worthwhile asking how exactly we understand this phrase today. Our second panel, with speakers Sheila Benhabib, Andreas Nachama, and Gerd Hankel, chaired by my colleague Kerry Bystrom, Professor of Literature and Human Rights Studies at Bard College, addresses the legacy of Arendt's text for political and judicial responses to crimes against humanity. The Eichmann case and Arendt's discussion of it is fraught with the problem of political will to prosecute such crimes and the motivation and legitimization of this will. Arendt's conclusions are also influenced by categories and values that are dealt with more fully in her other works, such as the idea of reconciliation and, as she puts it, its merciless boundary. Our third panel, with Annette Weinke and Gabi Weber, chaired by my colleague Irit Deckel, examines the record of historical representation into which Arendt's text fits and the wider story of the Eichmann case of which it is a part. We end with a keynote address from Christoph Menke under the title Arendt's Reperformance of the Trial. I don't know yet what he's going to say, but this title immediately brings to mind all the theatrical elements of Arendt's text, indeed a certain dramatic license involved in its theorizing, and a question about the purpose of these. Our opening conversation addresses the question, what does Arendt's judgment of Eichmann mean for us today?